Hey Dad, what's up? This is Cool Dude. What's up? I have something to show you. This matter. They're only about that height. About 6 foot. This is 6 foot. And this one, I can't even tell how tall this is. I've written down the right answer. If you comment down below how tall this is, it's like never more than 6 foot. This is like 6 foot, and this is like more. This is Sheriff Meadow. Like really tall. Like wow. I got that answer written down, and yeah, it's crazy. And this one here. Hello. I'm looking for you. This one is 6 foot, maybe a little bit lower. I just like that right there, but yeah. Then two are 6 foot, but really good. And this is like a shorter. I think this is about my sister's height. Maybe a little bit higher, but just how tall this is and how tall that is. Just how tall that is and how short this is. Like literally this short. This is crazy. Comment down below to how tall and how short is this motto. Like literally crazy. See you next time. You make sure you follow me and like and check out new video coming out soon because I don't wait for Melbourne long holiday and real big game or I will play in death football. And I will see you soon. Maybe a couple of days. And I will go on live soon. Maybe a couple of days soon. See you next time. Peace out.